Hey guys, so I went on Amazon and I searched for more slime and I found this thing. It's called the Party Llama slime, which just comes with two little things. It has the Party Llama and then it has the old deer. This is the party the animal party thing. You see? It's right there, and it has two of them. Up next. So before we start the video, you can see my shirt. My shirt has a burger on it. It says well done on it. You can't see it. So we're going to go ahead and get on it because we don't really have time. Okay, how do we open it? Okay, we open it like this. Whoa. Okay, so right here we have the Party Llama. Right here, this one has balls in it. And then we have the old deer, and right here we also have the old deer, which is very cool. So the first things first, we're gonna do this one. 6. So we're gonna open it up. Well, this is the thing right here, over here. Okay, so right here we have this little Party Llama. So let's see what it smells, because llamas will always have good smell. Oh my god. You have to smell this. This smells very good. See what this smells like.
That smells like strawberry and pina colada.
Wow.
Like school glue.
Yeah, it smells so good. Okay, this one has balls in it. That's why it's got Party Llama. Okay, let's get in it. Okay, it's stuck on it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I like the smell of it. It smells so good. Wow. This is so cool. Wow. Let's see if it stretches. Wow, yes it does. Let's see if we can make a little thing with it. Wow, look at that. It smells like strawberry and pina colada. And guys, if you want this Party Llama, which is this one, I can link this in the link in the description below. And if you want the old deer one, I can link that in the link in the description below too. On Amazon. It actually smells so good. Oh my god. And don't forget to like this video. Like this video, or else I'm gonna come to your house and take all your slime. So just do it. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for some more slime videos, because on this channel I do slime videos, beauty videos, and also some vlogs. Well, that is so cool. Wow, wow. I looks like this stick, doesn't it? Yeah, I was thinking that stick. Whoa. Wow. That's cool. So we're gonna put it in this. I don't know, it just makes a funny noise. Okay. Now we're done with this. And now we're gonna go move on with the oh dear one. Let's see. Open it up. Woo. Here we go. And then okay. Wow. Okay. Is it recording? Okay, so right here we have the oh dear one. We open it up. Let's see how it smells. Wow. Oh my god. These smells like those what are they called? Those popsicle ring things. That's what they smell like. Wow. I think that's what it is. Whoa. I think it is popsicle ring things. Wow. This is like diamonds in it. kind of hard though. It's kind of hard to get out. I didn't even know it was gonna be this hard. There's more in there. Just come out. Still. Why do you say sit up? Oh. Okay, right here. Whoa. Oh my god. Diamonds! Oh! Whoa! These are so cool. Wow. We're gonna make a little ball. Oh. Oh, we need this, by the way. So, squeeze it down. Let's make a little thing. Okay, the thing's crushing the diamonds. Wow, look at that. It smells so good. Oh. I don't know what this is. Put it back in it. And this is the old deer. I will link this also in the link in the description below if you guys want it. It's very cool. Smells like popsicles, and this is how you can get your hands on it. This is absolutely very cool. Okay, let's do a longer one. And that is it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and if you see that mouse, clicking the like button and subscribe button, click it right now if you guys want more videos. And don't forget to check out my website or subscribe to my website at noonenationadventures.com. I can put the thing on the screen like here, boom, right there. And that's where my website's at, noonenationadventures.com. I can link down the link in the description below. So when you go on my website, there's a subscribe thing. Do you want to subscribe to noonenationadventures.com? Click on yes, and it says, do you want to allow notification? Yes. And every single time I post an article or reviews like this, you'll get notified every single time I do it. So thank you for watching.
If you want to download his app to his website,
you can go on the link in the description below and click on my website. Don't forget to click on that what's it called? Those 3 little stick things. And then click on the home, the little home thing with the little arrow down like this. You click it and then it will show my app. You can download it. It's available. It's only available on Android. So if you have an Android device or an Android phone or Android tablet, you can download it. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Bye.